Welcome to Inside Factory Walls. Today, we uncover the closely guarded secrets behind India's 500 rupees rupee note. A process valued in trillions. Prepare to glimpse the unseen. Every single rupee note represents a marvel of engineering, a testament to security, and a vital part of the nation's economy. Its journey is truly fascinating. Imagine the sheer volume, billions of notes printed annually, each meticulously crafted. This operation is an astonishing dance of precision and immense scale. The Reserve Bank of India orchestrates this colossal endeavor, ensuring every note's integrity. Unveiling this RBI secret reveals deep commitment to financial stability. The journey begins with exceptional raw materials. Unlike ordinary paper, currency notes are made from a unique blend of cotton fibers for durability and distinct texture. This specialized paper, often a blend of cotton and linen, provides unparalleled strength and resistance to wear and tear, crucial for everyday transactions. Securing this unique paper is paramount. It is either domestically produced under strict supervision or imported from highly specialized, trusted international suppliers. Next, the ink. This isn't just any ink, it's a proprietary blend, engineered for extreme durability, vibrant color, and advanced anti-counterfeiting properties. A true marvel. The ink's formulation is a closely guarded secret, designed to resist fading, smudging, and chemical alteration. Its unique composition is a key defense. The base paper manufacturing process itself is highly specialized, incorporating initial security features. Every stage is rigorously monitored to meet RBI's stringent standards. Before printing, every roll undergoes intense scrutiny. Automated optical scanners meticulously search for any minute flaws, guaranteeing a perfect canvas for the currency. One of the earliest security features integrated is the security thread. This metallic or fluorescent strip is embedded directly into the paper during its formation. Hold a note to the light, and you'll see this thread, often bearing micro-lettering. This intricate detail is incredibly difficult to replicate. A robust anti-counterfeiting measure. The watermark, another essential feature, is created by varying the paper's thickness during manufacturing. It's not printed, but an integral part of the paper itself. This subtle portrait of Mahatma Gandhi, visible when held against light, is a hallmark of genuine currency. Its clarity and detail are extremely challenging to counterfeit. The color-shifting ink, a marvel of optical physics, is strategically placed on the note. When tilted, the color dynamically changes, offering instant authentication. This unique ink contains microscopic metallic flakes that reflect light differently depending on the angle, making it virtually impossible for counterfeiters to replicate effectively. Intaglio printing creates a distinctive raised effect on certain elements of the note, such as the portrait of Gandhi and the RBI seal. A tactile security feature. This highly specialized printing method uses engraved metal plates, pressing ink onto the paper with extreme force. The result is a unique, raised texture unmistakable to touch. Now, the industrial printing begins. Massive, high-speed presses fill the factory floor, orchestrating a complex dance to transform blank paper into finished currency. The initial layers are often applied using offset printing, laying down the intricate background designs and subtle color gradients that form the note's artistic foundation. Multiple passes through different presses are required, each adding specific colors and design elements with microscopic precision. It's a symphony of mechanical artistry. The intaglio printing stage is critical, imprinting the tactile features that distinguish genuine notes. The pressure applied here is immense, embedding the design deeply. After each ink application, the sheets pass through specialized drying units. This ensures the ink sets perfectly, preventing smudging and enhancing the note's overall longevity. Each banknote receives a unique serial number, printed with specialized, often fluorescent, ink. This numbering system is crucial for tracking and maintaining strict inventory control. The sequential numbering is not just for identification, it's a vital security layer. No two genuine notes will ever share the same unique alphanumeric identifier. Once all printing and numbering stages are complete, the large sheets, now teeming with currency, are transported to the cutting department for their final transformation. High-speed, precision cutting machines slice the large sheets into individual banknotes. This process demands absolute accuracy to ensure every note is perfectly uniform. These specialized blades are meticulously maintained, ensuring clean, precise cuts. Even a millimeter of deviation could compromise the entire batch, highlighting the precision required. After cutting, the individual notes are immediately fed into automated inspection systems. This critical stage identifies any imperfections before they leave the factory floor. Sophisticated optical scanners examine every single note for printing errors, color inconsistencies, or any deviation from the rigorous design specifications. No flaw escapes detection. The system identifies and flags any notes with even the slightest imperfection. These rejected notes are then securely removed from the production line for destruction. Despite advanced automation, human oversight remains vital. Experienced technicians manually examine random batches, ensuring no subtle defect slips through the stringent quality checks. Any note failing to meet the exacting standards, even for a minor imperfection, is immediately segregated. Quality is absolutely non-negotiable in currency production. Once approved, the notes proceed to high-speed counting machines. These devices accurately count and stack notes into bundles, typically 100 notes per stack, with perfect precision. Each bundle is then secured with a unique strap, often bearing specific identification codes. This ensures traceability and maintains the integrity of the counted currency. The bundles are then placed into specialized, tamper-proof containers. These robust boxes are designed to withstand rigorous transport, protecting the valuable contents within. Finally, the securely packaged currency is loaded into heavily armored vehicles. Under extreme security, these convoys transport the new notes to RBI's central vaults. Within the impenetrable vaults of the Reserve Bank of India, these new notes await distribution. This marks the culmination of an extraordinary journey of precision. From a simple cotton fiber to a symbol of national economy, the 500 rupees rupee notes journey is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and unwavering security protocols. The scale of operation is truly staggering, a continuous cycle of manufacturing and inspection, ensuring the nation's financial backbone remains robust and trustworthy. Each security feature, from watermarks to micro-lettering, acts as a vital layer, creating a formidable barrier against illicit replication, safeguarding the currency's integrity. Behind every machine, highly skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly, maintaining and fine-tuning the complex machinery, ensuring optimal performance and unwavering quality. The continuous flow of notes through the factory underscores the immense efficiency and sophisticated logistics required to meet the nation's constant demand for currency. Security is paramount at every single stage, from raw materials to finished products. Every movement is monitored, ensuring absolute protection against any unauthorized access. Advanced surveillance systems are strategically deployed throughout the facility, providing real-time monitoring of all operations, leaving no blind spots for potential security breaches. The master printing plates, themselves works of art and engineering, are stored under extreme security. These are the blueprints for every genuine banknote produced. Even the engraving of the printing plates is an art form, performed by highly skilled artisans. Their precision ensures the sharpness and consistency of every printed note. Once released, these notes become the lifeblood of India's economy, facilitating countless transactions daily, underpinning commerce and individual prosperity across the nation. Sophisticated tracking systems monitor every bundle of notes, from the factory floor to the bank vaults, ensuring complete accountability and preventing any unauthorized diversions. The entire operation is managed by a centralized control system, providing real-time data on production, quality, and inventory, optimizing efficiency and security at all times. Preventative maintenance is crucial. Machines are regularly serviced and calibrated to ensure they operate at peak efficiency, preventing costly downtime and maintaining production quality. Even after extensive circulation, the durability of these notes is remarkable. The specialized paper and ink are designed to withstand years of handling, a testament to quality. The life cycle of a banknote extends beyond its production. It includes its eventual withdrawal and secure destruction when it becomes too worn. Maintaining currency quality. Destroying old currency is a highly secure process, involving specialized shredders that reduce notes to unidentifiable fragments. This prevents any possibility of reuse. Many aspects of currency production, especially security features and ink formulations, remain classified. These RBI secrets are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the currency. The fight against counterfeiting is ongoing. RBI continuously invests in research and development, seeking even more advanced security features to protect the national currency. Future banknotes may incorporate even more sophisticated technologies, like microscopic chips or advanced holographic elements, pushing the boundaries of anti-counterfeiting innovation further. Indian Rupee, like other major currencies, plays a vital role in global trade and finance, a symbol of India's economic strength and international confidence. The signature of the RBI governor on each note is a powerful symbol of trust and authority, a promise that its value is officially backed by the central bank. From its humble beginnings as cotton to its final form, the 500 rupees rupee note embodies precision, security, and the unwavering trust placed in India's financial system. The journey concludes as these meticulously crafted notes enter circulation, becoming tangible representations of economic activity, trust, and the nation's financial stability daily. The tactile feel, the visual elements, and the hidden security features all combine to create a note that is both functional and incredibly secure for everyone. We've witnessed the entire, intricate journey of the 500 rupees rupee note, a marvel of modern manufacturing, security, and economic management, executed with unparalleled precision. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey inside the production of India's 500 rupees rupee. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.